Walk-around wireless DCC control will solve many operational issues, but if you are the only operator, the layout will still need to be manageable. You'll not only need to be able to reach everything, but you also need to be able to see everything, including the car numbers. Having a busy factory or warehouse industrial scene is a great idea because there will be a lot of traffic and train movement. Remember, though, you'll need to be able to stand close to where you're doing the switching and not have to walk 5 feet around the layout to uncouple a car you can't reach. And what about throwing a manual turnout when you're a long way away? Not easy. So before laying out your track, put yourself in the position of the engineer or operator in charge. And think carefully about where you will stand or sit to keep full control over the layout. Check that everything is where it should be and close enough for you to properly do your job of operating the railroad.